And I'm down 21 pounds now, but I have more energy than ever.
Curious about how a global icon like Kim Kardashian maintains her incredible figure? What if we told you that her secret lies in a diet that's as delicious as it is effective? Today, we're going to show you every detail of exactly how she does it, and how weight loss is just the tip of the iceberg. And watch to the end for some surprising practical tips from Kim's personal routine that you can implement right away. You definitely won't see them coming. Kim Kardashian West, renowned for her impact on fashion, beauty, and media, has also gained attention in the health and fitness sphere. Kim has recently thrown back the curtain on her personal experiences with various diet and fitness routines, particularly the ketogenic diet. Her transparency about her journey with keto has motivated many of her followers to consider this low-carb lifestyle. This video will explore Kim's thoughts on the keto diet, her motivations, the benefits she has experienced, her exact meal plan, and her role in popularizing this dietary approach. In case you're not familiar with it, the ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that induces a metabolic state called ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This diet includes foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils, moderate amounts of protein, and very low amounts of carbohydrates, primarily from non-starchy vegetables. The reduction in carbohydrates leads to lower insulin levels and shifts the body's metabolic state from glucose burning to fat burning. For a lot of people, this can lead to seemingly miraculous, effortless weight loss. Sound too good to be true? Keep watching because we're about to show you exactly how it's done. Kim Kardashian West adopted the keto diet mainly to lose weight after her pregnancies. Managing weight post-pregnancy can be challenging, and Kim K sought an effective dietary plan to help her shed the extra pounds and maintain her figure. The keto diet, which has been confirmed by an enormous amount of scientific literature to allow for safe, rapid weight loss and a variety of other health benefits, became an appealing choice. After her pregnancies, she was highly motivated by a desire to feel confident and maintain her signature look, which is crucial for her career in the public eye. Her commitment to the diet and the results she achieved have been well documented, enhancing the credibility and appeal of the keto lifestyle. Kim Kardashian has highlighted several benefits she has experienced since adopting the keto diet, including 1. Significant weight loss. One of the most notable benefits Kim has reported is substantial weight loss. She attributed her post-pregnancy weight loss entirely to her well-formulated keto diet, a transformation evident in her public appearances and social media posts. It's funny to think that even a celebrity on her level turned not to a drug like Ozempic, but to a 100-year-old holistic weight loss cure. This means it's available to anyone who's willing to change their diet. And the great news is, it doesn't even require counting calories. 2. Enhanced skin health. Kim has also mentioned that her skin has improved since starting the keto diet. The reduction in sugar and processed foods, combined with the anti-inflammatory properties of healthy fats, has contributed to clearer and more radiant skin. Who doesn't want that? 3. Improved mental clarity. She has observed enhanced mental clarity and focus, attributing this to the brain's use of ketones as a fuel source, which can improve cognitive function. The brain absolutely loves ketones, and for a lot of people, the improved mental health and mental function is actually their favorite part of the diet. 4. Better appetite control. The high-fat content of the keto diet helps Kim Kardashian feel fuller for longer periods, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks and making it easier to stick to her dietary plan. You might think it would be hard to cut out your favorite snacks and sweets, but when ketones are flooding through your system, you'd be amazed how those cravings can completely disappear. 5. Increased energy levels. Kim has noted that the keto diet provides her with more stable energy levels throughout the day. The consistent energy from fat burning, as opposed to the highs and lows of carbohydrate intake, helps her manage her busy schedule effectively. Compared to glucose, ketones just feel like a cleaner burning fuel. Alright, now let's take a close look at the details of Kim Kardashian West's personal keto routine. Her dedication to the keto lifestyle is clear from the consistency in her daily routine, which she has shared in select interviews and social media posts. Her typical diet includes breakfast. Kardashian West often starts her day with a keto-friendly breakfast, such as scrambled eggs with cheese and avocado, cooked in butter or coconut oil. This meal provides a substantial amount of healthy fats, proteins, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Lunch. For lunch, she might have a salad with leafy greens, grilled chicken or fish, and a high-fat dressing made from olive oil or avocado oil. She focuses on incorporating a variety of vegetables to ensure she gets essential vitamins and minerals. Remember that on keto, you can have as many leafy veggies as you want. Dinner. Dinner usually consists of a protein source like steak, salmon, or chicken, accompanied by low-carb vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, or asparagus. Kim Kardashian also includes healthy fats like ghee or olive oil in her meals. Snacks. To keep her energy levels up, she snacks on keto-friendly foods such as nuts, cheese, and keto-approved protein bars. She also enjoys making keto desserts, which allow her to indulge her sweet tooth without breaking ketosis. Kim Kardashian West has leveraged her massive platform to advocate for the keto diet, sharing her experiences and tips with her millions of followers. Her openness about her dietary choices has inspired many to explore the keto lifestyle, significantly contributing to its growing popularity. Kim's social media presence is filled with posts about her keto journey, where she often shares meal ideas, workout routines, and motivational messages. Her influence extends beyond social media to interviews and public appearances, where she discusses the benefits of the keto diet and encourages others to consider it as a viable option for weight loss and health improvement. You might wonder, is there anything about keto that she's found difficult or challenging? Well, while Kim Kardashian West is a strong proponent of the keto diet, she acknowledges that it can be challenging to maintain sometimes, especially in social situations and when faced with high-carb temptations. She emphasizes the importance of preparation and planning, such as bringing keto-friendly snacks to events and researching restaurant menus in advance. Kim also stresses the need for balance and flexibility. She admits to occasionally indulging in non-keto foods, particularly during special occasions. However, she quickly returns to her keto routine, demonstrating that the diet can be adaptable and sustainable over the long term. Kim Kardashian. West's journey with the ketogenic diet highlights the potential benefits of this amazing and unique dietary approach, from significant weight loss and increased energy levels to improved mental clarity and better skin health. Her advocacy and personal success with the diet have inspired many to explore keto as a way to enhance their health and well-being. If you are inspired by Kim's amazing success with keto and want to learn more about it, check out this other video explaining more about just how great keto can be for weight loss.